Earthly, where she would see Grandfather again. But she didn't know that on that same day, Grandfather was leaving the village and the valley forever. When she reached Earthly, Heidi learnt of his departure.
Father, he's gone. That's not possible.
Thanks to a new invention that recently arrived in the village.
The telegraph!
You can warn Grandfather?
Heidi successfully reached her grandfather to tell him she returned.
The message is gone.
Their reunion was full of emotion.
Father!
Well, it's time to go.
I'll miss you, Sebastian.
Me too, Heidi.
Say hi to Aunt Detta and to Clara.
And to Miss Rottenmeier.
And to Miss Rottenmeier. Of course.
Thank you for having me, sir. It was a pleasure.
Thank Mr. Sesemann for letting Heidi come back. And please visit whenever you want. Just bring a different outfit.
I will, sir. All right, I should go if I don't want to miss the train. Goodbye, sir. Goodbye, Heidi.
Goodbye, Sebastian. I'm going to miss him. Do you think Peter will be here soon?
It's too early. He still needs to get the goats from the village.
So I have time to show you something.
What about a fossil hunt today? I know where we can find lots of those for my collection.
Wow!
You want to come?
Oh, yes, that'd be great. Where is it?
The Devil's Cauldrons.
The Devil's Cauldrons?
Yes, the cauldrons are reachable at this time of
I
year.
wouldn't go there if I were you. It's too dangerous.
Ha! What do you know about it? Just stick to your meadows and your grass fields, Billy Goat.
You do what you want, Carl, but don't come back crying. Maybe he's right.
Come on, William. Don't be a scaredy cat. I don't want to spend another day playing marbles in the schoolyard. Are you coming? All right, as you like. But don't expect me to be your friend anymore if you never want to do anything fun.
Wait, Carl! I'm coming with you.
Taken such great care of the sleeping beauty. But no one knew for certain. Of this we may rest assured that the prince and his beautiful wife passed a long and happy life.
That's very good, Heidi.
Grandmama taught me in Frankfurt, and I promised I would go to school here so I wouldn't forget.
You know it's difficult to go into the village in winter. There's too much snow.
I'll help you clear the path. I've done it before.
We'd have to wake up before sunrise to get you down there in time, Heidi. That's not possible.
Maybe I could stay at Peter's on school nights and go with him.
We can't impose that on Brigitte, Heidi.
Or we could stay at the manor.
I'll never live in the village again, Heidi. The matter is closed.
But you see how well I can read now, and there's so much more I need to learn. Maths, history.
I have old school books in the attic at the manor. If you really want to, I can go and get them.
Well, maybe. I could learn by myself. It's better than nothing, I guess. Huh? It's Peter! I better go. Have a good day, Grandfather.
You too, Heidi.
Morning, Heidi.
You're using my gift.
Of course, and it's a darn good whistle. Thanks again.
Oh, Big Turk. How are you? Pie. Still grumpy. Oh, Lily. You are beautiful. Goldfinch! What happened to you?
She's about to have a kid.
A baby goat? That's wonderful.
We'll have a new goat in the herd, and I'll have a new goat to keep Goldfinch company.
When?
Any day now. Are you ready for your first day as a goat general?
I can't wait.
All right. So, shall we go?
Yes. Are we going?
You tell me. You're the goat general today, Heidi. We all wait for your signal.
Hop, hop. Let's go. Hop, hop. Hip, hip. This way. Hop. Come on. Come on, little ones. Come closer. Come on. Hop, hop. Hip, hip. Here. Here. Little bear, come here. Hip, hip. This way. Hop. It's so good to be back. You know, at the Sesaments, I had to curtsy for everyone.
You had to curtsy?
Yes, and I couldn't go outside when I wanted, and I could only talk when I was asked to.
That must have been so hard. Why was it so strict?
Well, it's like that in the city. Miss Rottenmeier, the governess, she was always looking after Clara because she's so frail. But I know Clara will get better. And Lily, come back with the others. You'll graze when we're at the meadow. Hop, hop. Hip, hip.
Great work, Goat General Heidi.
Wait for me here, Joseph.
My mountains!
Welcome home, Heidi.
Whee! Woo!
Yep, she's back.
This is so beautiful. I missed it so much.
And the mountains missed you too. Oh no! Look what's coming.
A storm. Maybe it's going away.
No, the clouds are coming this way. We might have to leave earlier than we thought.
We just got here and I missed it so much.
We still have some time. Maybe right after lunch.
So let's see how many ammonites we can find.
Are you sure it's safe?
It's the best time of year with the creek so low. All the cauldrons will be dry and easy to get to. Come on, William. There's no need to be scared.
I'm not scared.
Great. Oh, what a find! It's so big! William, look! I told you this is a great spot. Very good.
Carl? Carl?
I'm here! I'm stuck down here! I need help!
Oh, I'm coming, Carl.
little Heidi already wants to read.
Yes, I'm sure she'll like school, just like her dad.
And her grandfather. Isn't that right, Ernst?
Ernst? Ernst?
Yes! Hold on tight!
William, there is a storm coming!
Oh, you need to get out quick!
I can't climb out on my own!
What should I do?
You need to get some help. You have to hurry, William. If the storm comes, the creek will flood the shaft.
I'll get my father. I'll be back in no time.
No, the village is too far, William. There's no time. Billy Goat.
Hey, that's not nice.
No, I meant Billy Goat is at the meadow with his herd. It's much closer.
I'll be back very soon, Carl. Don't worry.
Hop, hop, this way. Time to go.
Peter! Peter!
What's he doing here?
Carl needs help. He fell down a hole at the Devil's Cauldrons. It's too deep for him to climb out. And now with the storm, the hole will fill with
I
water.
told you it was
and-
dangerous over there.
We should help him, Peter.
But the goats! I can't take them near the bridge. It's too dangerous.
I can take them down. You go and help Carl.
Are you sure? All right, but be careful. Use it if you need me. I'll be able to find you. Come on, let's go.
Oh, Uncle.
Mr. Traber, could I come in for a moment? There's something I'd like to discuss with you.
But of course. Come in. Just made some tea.
Hip, hip. Goldfinch, come on, let's go home. Huh? What is it, Goldfinch? Come on, we're nearly there. We're going to take our time, but you have to get up and come with us.
Come on, Billy Goat.
William, wait!
Hey, what are you doing?
I need this.
Don't. It's too dangerous.
Don't worry.
Yes.
Let's go.
Come on, Goldfinch. We need to get down before the storm comes. You're not going to have your baby here, are you?
At last! You took your time. The storm is almost here.
We had to stop at the bridge to get some rope. You should have seen what Peter did. It was so
Come on,
dangerous.
let's get you out of here. The storm is coming fast. Give us a minute. We'll call when we're ready.
Hopefully, Peter joins us. Don't you think, Carl?
William, I need you to hold it with me. Okay, William?
Yes, Peter.
Okay, we're ready. You can climb. Heidi?
Yes. Carl, are you okay?
Thank you, Peter. You saved me.
Anyone would have done it. Now, Heidi needs me. I have to go.
Peter? I'll never call you Billy Goat again, Peter. Friends?
Friends. Get home safe,
I'll see you around then.
I guess. Heidi!
Peter?
Heidi!
Peter!
What's going on?
She doesn't want to move. I think the baby is coming.
All right, let me look at her. We still have a bit of time, but the baby will be here soon.
How was Carl?
I think we're friends now.
Huh?
All right, let's move. We don't want her to have her kid under this storm.
Let's take her to Grandfather's barn. He'll be able to help too.
The kids will get back in time, Joseph.
Let's go, goats. Time to go home. Grandfather! Goldfinch is going to have her baby. Grandfather? Is she okay?
It started. She's going to have her baby. Come here, pat her head and keep her calm. I'll help her. It's okay. It won't be long now.
Hush now. You're going to have a baby. It's all going to be okay.
It's a baby girl.
It's a baby girl, Goldfinch. That's wonderful. No, Goldfinch. Don't push it. It's just a baby.
She's not pushing it. She needs to do that for the kid to stand.
It's going to walk? So soon?
Yes, that's what they need to do. That proves the kid is healthy. Look,
Oh. Oh. Oh.
you did really well today, Heidi. So you're the one who should name the baby.
Really? So. Oh, you are a mischievous one. Let's call you Mischief.
Well, Mischief it is. Welcome to the Deathly Valley, Mischief.
Joseph?
Hey,
Grandfather! Goldfinch just had a baby.
really? Are they okay?
Oh, yes, and I got to name the baby. Her name is Mischief.
Did you help her deliver?
Yes, Uncle.
Well, you did a fine job, Goat General. Both the mother and the baby look perfectly healthy.
Thank you, Uncle. But Heidi helped a lot too.
Well, Heidi certainly grew up while she was away, didn't she? Now come here, Heidi. There's something I must tell you. I'm sorry I was so grumpy this morning. I owe you an apology. It's just, I just wanted everything to stay as it was, like before. So I went to see Mr. Traber today, and I registered you for school next winter. And I think we'll stay at the manor too. It'll be more convenient.
School?
School?
But you don't like being in the village.
Maybe it's time I give it another chance. And you'll be there to help me.
Oh, thank Thank you, Grandfather.
So, I guess I'll have someone to share my desk with next winter.